In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Enye in Canva. The Enye, written as Nye or Arn, is essential for names and words in languages like Spanish and Filipino, and adding it correctly makes your designs look professional and accurate. I'll walk you through the simple methods so you can place it exactly where you need it. Start by opening your Canva project and clicking into the text box where you want the letter to appear. Make sure you can see the blinking text cursor, because the character will insert precisely at that spot. Once you're ready, you can type the lowercase Enye by pressing and holding the Alt key on your keyboard and then typing 164 on the numeric keypad. Keep holding Alt while you type the numbers and release Alt at the end. You should see a lowercase nin appear right in your text box. This uses the numeric keypad, not the number row above the letters, so if your keyboard has a dedicated numpad, that's the one to use. If your keyboard has a numlock key, make sure it's turned on so the keypad inputs numbers. For the uppercase version, the process is the same. Click where you want the letter, press and hold Alt, type 165 on the numeric keypad, and release Alt to insert a capital Enye. Use this when the letter begins a name or a sentence, or whenever your text needs an uppercase character. If your keyboard doesn't have a numeric keypad, there's a quick workaround. Open your web browser, search for the word Enye, then copy the character you need, either 9 or ENS, from the results. Return to your Canva text box and paste it into your design using your usual copy and paste method. This is fast, reliable, and works on virtually any device. A couple of tips to make it look great. After inserting the character, check that your chosen font supports the Enye. Most modern fonts do, but if you see a missing glyph or a strange symbol, switch to another font in Canva and the letter should display correctly. Also, match the case to your word and adjust the size, weight, and spacing so the letter blends naturally with the rest of your text. That's all there is to it. Click in your text, use Alt plus 164 for nin, Alt plus 165 for Arn, or copy and paste from a quick web search if you don't have a numpad. With these options, you can add the Enye to any Canva design quickly and confidently.